So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this antique vase model in the Blender. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. And before starting the tutorial guys, I just want to tell you, if you guys want to do practice on this project file, so you can download this project file from the description. That will be free for my all subscriber. And one more thing guys, in this video we'll just only talk about how we can create this vase model, but in this project file you will get the all asset, means you will get this flower also, and you will get this all material which is I have used here. This is a totally procedural material. If I'll show you here you can see this is a very basic and procedural material. So you will also get this material as well, so don't worry about it. You can just watch this tutorial till end, and after that you can do practice also. So now let's start the tutorial. So first of all I'm just going to delete everything pressing the A, and then I'm just going to hit delete, and then I'm just going to enable my shortcut VR, so you can easily see which key I'm pressing exactly. On the right hand side you can see. Okay, so first of all I'm just going to my front view, and here I'm just going to add one cylinder pressing the shift here, and go to my mesh section, and here I'm just going to add one cylinder. And then I'm just going to my edit mode of this cylinder and going to delete this top face and this bottom face, and press the delete it. Yeah, so right now we don't have any faces now. So now I'm just going to again my front view and going to select all this cylinder mesh pressing the A. Then I'm just going to scale this little bit. So for that I'm just going to press the S and Z. So okay, but before doing this I'm just going to disable my proportion editing, because right now we don't need this. So now I'm just going to again hit scale and Z, yeah, something like that. So that much scale is look fine to me. And after that I'm just going to exit my edit mode, and first of all I'm just going to apply the scale. So why I did the scale, basically in case we'll add the bevel in our object and we'll add any modifier, so that modifier will work very nicely. That's why I did this apply scale basically. So after that I'm just going to again my edit mode of this cylinder. Then I'm just going to select my loop cut option from here, and going to add some loop cuts in between this cylinder. I'm just going to add the 10 loop cuts, something like that, and that's look great. Okay, so after that I'm just going to exit this edit mode, and then I'm just going to apply one modifier. It's called basically Decimate Modifier. Okay, so why I add the Decimate Modifier basically, so first of all I just want to turn on my wireframe so you can easily see the mesh. Okay, so now you can see the mesh here, and if you remember, if I'm just going to show you my render here, so here you can see right now we can see that diagonal line here. Okay, so for creating these diagonal line I'm just going to use this Decimate Modifier. So for that I'm just going to change this collapse to unsubdivide, and then I'm just going to increase the iteration value 0 to 1, so we'll get this particular diagonal line basically. But before doing this I'm just going to cross this first of all. Then I'm just going to edit mode of this cylinder. Okay, so then I'm just going to enable my X-ray view, and then I'm just going to select my middle faces of this cylinder, and then I'm just going to enable my proportion editing from here. That the O is the shortcut key of this tool. Then I'm just going to press this S for the scale, and here you can see we have a perfect scale here. So I'm just going to increase a little bit the radius of this proportion editing, something like that, and that's look great to me. Then I'm just going to select my top vertices and going to scale it, something like that, and we can decrease as well if we want. So I think that look fine to me, and same thing we'll do with the bottom part as well, something like that. Yeah, I think that's look great to me. We can just decrease from here as well. Yeah, so now here you can see we have a perfect wash shape here. Okay, and then I'm just going to again my modifier section, and now I'm just going to add again this Decimate Modifier and going to my unsubdivide option, and here I'm just going to increase this iteration value 0 to 1, so we'll get this shape here. Okay, and that's look great. So after complete your process, make sure you apply your modifier, because if you will not apply your modifier, so if you will go to the edit mode of this cylinder, so you will get this by default faces which is we have before. But if I will apply this modifier from here, so now we have these kind of diagonal line by default, and that's so great to me. So first of all I'm just going to select the all mesh pressing the A, then I'm just going to hit the 2 for my edge mode. Then I'm just going to bevel this pressing the Control B and something like that, and then I'm just going to decrease my bevel. So I'm just going to increase only one bevel in between these lines. Okay, something like that. So here you can see we have only one segment here, because this is the one is the by default, so I am just going to increase one more time. Okay, so here you can see we have a one line in between here, and that's look great to me. Okay, so here you can see we have that kind of shape here, and that's look great by the way. Here you can see, and then I'm just going to add the subdivision surface modifier, so we will get the extra smoothness in our product, in our vase. So I'm just going to add here. Okay, and then I'm just going to increase the viewport level 2 here, and then I'm just going to right click, and here I will do shade smooth as well, so we will get this shape here, and that's look great to me. Okay, so after that I'm just going to edit mode of this vase, and then I'm just going to select these edges. Okay, and pressing the E for the extrude and S for the scale, and same thing I will repeat it, something like that. And then I'm just going to E and extrude, and then I will just press the F for the fill the edge. So you can see we have a perfect shape here, and that smooth, that blend is look also nice here. And for the top part we'll do same thing, we'll just select the all top edges here, then I'm just going to press the E for the extrude, S for the scale, and then I'm just going to scale a little bit, something like that. Then I'm just going to press the E for again extrude, and then I'm just going to extrude, and then I'm just going to extrude inside, something like that. And we can just extrude one more time, so we'll get this smooth shape here. Here you can see, and that's look great to me. So here you can see guys, our modeling part is done, and that's look great to me. Here you can see we have a good topology here as well. Here you can see we maintain the all topology, and we have a good quad topology here, and that's look great also. And if you want to do any changes, so you can do. Okay, and we have a good sharp shape here as well. Okay, so after that you have to just apply the texture into your vase, and then you have to just add these flower, which is you will get in this project file. And when you add the light on your scene, and when you take the render, so you will see something like that. Okay, so that's how you can create this modular wash modeling, and that's look great to me by the way. Here you can see we have a perfect shape here. And one more thing guys, here you can see we have here a perfect smooth blend here. Here you can see, okay, and that create a little realism fact here. Okay, so here you can see, so I like this blend here, basically that blend it's happening here, that's look great and very realistic by the way. Okay guys, and don't forget to download this project file from this description, because that will be free for my all subscriber. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply comments. So bye bye, take care, and stay home guys.